Hi everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Well, we're getting into pumpkin season, getting close to Halloween and Thanksgiving turkey and pumpkin pies, and we're going to make some chocolate chip pumpkin sweetbread. Now I've already got in this bowl, I'm trying to get ahead of you already. I have got 4 eggs, a cup of white sugar, a cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of pumpkin, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a cup of oil. And I'm going to beat all this together, and I'm going to add it to my flour mixture here, which is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, and it calls for a half a teaspoon of allspice. I'm not crazy about it, so I only added 1/4 of a teaspoon. And I'm going to beat up the wet ingredients, add it to the dry ingredients, and I also have 1.5 cups of chocolate chips that I coated with some flour. And when I get all that beaten up, I'll be back with you. Alright guys, I mixed up my flour and got the cinnamon and baking soda and salt and the little bit of allspice I put in there. I got it all mixed together. Now it says to combine the wet with the dry, but only until it, it combines. So I'm pouring all of this pumpkin and other stuff in here. And if I can't do it with a whisk, I'll do it with my mixer. Okay. We're going to try it. I'm not sure it's going to work. It says just until it's combined. In other words, don't over mix it. Alright, preheat your oven to 350. Now this makes 2 loaves, 2 8x4 loaves. Of course I'm going to use my mini loaves. That way I can share and freeze some if I want to. So I'm not sure how many loaves it'll make. We don't know at this point. But I've got enough of those little mini loaves to make 8. But I don't think it'll make 8. Alright, it says to stir in the chocolate chips. I'd pour them in, but I OD'd on the flour, and I don't want to get all that extra flour in there. I'm going to get some of it in there, though. Not a whole lot. Whoops-a-daisy. Alright. So, let me wipe my hands off real quick. All I'm going to do is just stir this in. And I'm going to put everything back in that green bowl because it has a pouring spout. And it would be easier to get in those mini loaves if I use the pouring spout. So, alright, that's combined. Now, if you're using the 8x4 loaf pans, You're going to bake this at 350 for, it says 60 to 70 minutes. If you're using the mini pans, I'm guessing here, I think it'll be anywhere between 40 and 50 minutes. But when you insert something and it comes out clean, then it's ready. So I'm going to go ahead and do my pouring and baking, and I'll bring you back when they're done and show you what they look like. Alright, we're back. It took my little mini loaves, it made exactly 4 loaves. It took them about 55 minutes to get done. I took them out too soon. I thought they were done at 40, but they weren't. So I'm going to take this one because it's a little lopsided right there, and move these others out of the way. I got Sam here. He's going to be our tester, as usual. Let's zoom in a little closer.
Well, I have a cup of coffee here, and that'll go well with it.
Yeah. So let's cut part of this end off. This is a chocolate chip pumpkin bread. Great for fall and this time of year. So let's see what he thinks. Here you go, Sammy.
Thank you. Very good. It's moist and flavorful. I've never had pumpkin chocolate chip, but actually it goes very well together. Like you said, it'd be with Halloween coming up and fall. It's very good. I like it.
You want another?
Well, let me eat this first. Yeah, perfect for this time of year, and it's very good, moist, and those chocolate chips with the pumpkin go very well.
Well, let me give you my opinion of it.
Okay.
You know, I only added 1/4 teaspoon of allspice because I don't care for it. And you can leave it out totally. That is optional. But it's just a very light allspice taste to it. But I think I probably should have added maybe a 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Would have brought out more flavor to it. But it's delicious. It's very good.
Mm-hmm.
And it is moist. I don't know if you all can tell that. Let me see if I can zoom in on that one piece there. There it is. Get a fork and just show you. It's just very moist. Very moist. And those chocolate chips really add to it. It adds a good, you know, it's something unusual that you wouldn't have in just an ordinary pumpkin bread. You could probably add some nuts and it would be good too. Well, would you eat it again, Sam?
Sure, yeah. I'm fixing to get another piece.
Okay. Well, I hope you try this bread. Thank you so much for coming in and spending part of your day with me today. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, you take care.